Many have asked, and they finally made one. This is the official hard case for the Easiframe Curved Backdrop System. You can see here it's a very well built and well designed case. It features 4 locks so you can secure and store away your Easiframe Curved Backdrop System. It has 2 handles, one for the side and also one for the top here, and the reason why you'd have a top handle is because you can actually lug this around with the wheels and transport this around if you need to. It also has protection on all corners here, so that protects the case and all the contents. Let's have a look at what it looks like inside. So when we open it up, you can see it's completely foam padded on one side here, and on the other side is a laser cut foam that neatly positions each and every component of the Easiframe Curved Backdrop System. You can see you've got the long space there for all the crossbars, and then you've got the curved for that cyclorama part, as well as little cutouts for all the different accessories. You also have a gap here, perfect for one of your skins, so you can house everything inside this case and transport it around, as well as store your Easiframe Backdrop System. So we've now positioned all of the components from the Easiframe Curved Backdrop System. You've got the curved part there, you've got all the crossbars, you've got all the brackets neatly positioned into their own place, and you also have the freestanding adapters that you can see over there on the right. It's all neatly placed, and you still have that spot right there in the center for your skin. So you're able to close this and transport your entire backdrop system.